Hi, in this video I will show you how to protect your TECNO smartphone with factory reset protection. So let's begin. The factory reset protection is like the protection from Google. This is the anti-theft protection, so if your phone is lost or somebody stole your phone, probably somebody will try to factory reset your device, and with this protection the person who factory reset your phone needs to input your data about your Google account to have access to your phone. So this is like a really useful protection. So let me show you how to activate this protection. It's really easy, and this method works in every TECNO smartphone. Here I have TECNO Spark 20 Pro, but it will work on your smartphone as well. So you need to do two things. You need to go to settings and set up the screen lock. So let's choose password and security, choose lock screen passwords, and choose one of the following option. It could be pattern, it could be numeric password, it could be alphanumeric. Let me choose the pattern. I will choose the simple pattern, but remember to set up some more complicated one. Alright, tap done. The pattern is set it up. Now you need to do the second thing. You need to just log into some Google account. So if you don't have a Google account, let's just create it. The Google account is completely free, but if you have some Google account, the Gmail account, let's just log in. So you need to choose here the user and accounts. As you can see right here, it's almost at the bottom of the screen. Tap add account. Let's choose Google. You need to enter your pattern. Alright, let me choose the password and the login. Let me enter the password, so let's wait a few seconds. Alright, here I have my password, so let me tap next. Now you need to decide if you will use the device or your child. In my case, let me choose the first option, tap next, tap I agree. Tap accept. And that's it. So now your phone is protected by factory reset protection from Google. So let me explain one more time how it works. If your device will be lost or somebody stole your device, they probably want to hard reset your phone, and even if they do hard reset with the recovery mode, after all, the thief or somebody will need to input your Google account. You will need to log into your Google account to have access to the device. Without your Google account, the device will be locked by the factory reset protection. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.